Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Arfat Masari with last number 1012. I will present about effect of tofu and wheat burgers flour substitution and cracker on hedonic quality and nutrition content. The first part is the introduction. In Wonosorejo district, which is located in the north of Banyuwangi Regency, there is a tofu processing industry. Tofu production products solid and liquid waste or tofu dregs, which can have a negative impact on the environment and health if not managed properly. Research was conducted to utilize tofu dregs into nutritious cracker product and reduce dependence on wheat flour. The next part is the method. The tool used to make cracker are a sieve, blender, basin, filter cloth, mixer, stove, stainless steel knife, cutting board, tray, pan, hydraulic press, blender, roasting pan, and AT sieve. The material used to make cracker are tofu dregs flour, high protein wheat flour, tapioca flour, salt, garlic, and cooking oil. The next slide is the tool used in the analysis of water and protein content in cracker, consists an oven, weighing bottle, desiccator, tongs, kejadel flash, hot plate, fan cupboard, burette, and stative. The material used in the analysis of protein content in cracker are K2SO4, saline catalysis, boiling stone, H2SO4, Aquades, and OOH34, H3BO4 4%, and HCl 0.1. On this slide are the steps that will be carried out. Making tofu dregs for begins with pressing using a hydraulic tool to reduce the water content. The dregs were when steaming at 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes for sterilization. After that, it is drying in the oven with regular turning so that it is quickly. The dry dregs are milling using a blender, then sifting with a size of 80 until 100 mesh to get uniform flour particle. The next, making tofu dregs cracker. Making cracker begins by mixing all the material with water until homogeneous. After that, the dough was molding 3 cm cake thick and steaming at 100 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. The crackers are cooling for 24 hours so that the texture is hard and easy to cut. The final step is cutting and drying in the sun that reduce the water content. It is more durable and safe spice. The next is analysis procedure. In the research, two analyze were carried out. The first was a hedonic test, appearance of crunchy, color, flavor. Then a chemical content test, moisture and protein content. Analysis experiment design. The experiment design of this research was carried out using a completely randomized design. The factor for this research were tofu dregs for concentration of 0%, 10%, 20%, and 30%. With flour substitution 100%, 90%, 80%, and 7%. Each treatment with repeated 4 minutes. The next is result and discussion. Hedonic test. Based on the pistol, it showed that P2 has the highest level of crispness with an average of 5.81, while P3 has the lowest level of crispness with P.8, with 2.8. Color favorable. Based on the pistol, it showed that P2 has the highest level of color preference with an average of 5.68, while P1 has a color preference level with an average of 5.82. The next is flavor favorability. Based on the pistol, it showed that control has the highest level and test preference with an average of 5.8, while P1 has the lowest level and least preference with an average of 5.28. The next is chemical test, protein content of cracker. Based on the pistol, this show that P3 has the highest protein content with an average of 17.10. The next is moisture content of cracker. Based on the pistol, it show that P3 has the lowest water content with an average of 4.5, while the control has the highest water content with 4.78. The last part is conclusion. The addition of tofu drugs for effect and least liking of crispness, color, and flavor. Tofu pulp for increases content but decreases water content. The best formulation based on the preference test in formulation P2. Okay, that's all I can presentation and thank you for your attention. I hope it can be useful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.